Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy M56. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Then click on Google Assistant and click on voice match. Now you have to click on get started and then scroll down and click I agree. Now click next and click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next. And now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's go back and go back again and then click on Gemini. Now you have to scroll down and click use Gemini and let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.